Hey everyone, and thanks for jumping back into the cryptoverse. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, a historic monthly close. If you guys like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and also check out the Telegram channel, which you can find a link to in the description below. Let's go ahead and jump in. So, regardless of what happens, this is a historic close, okay? Why? We had 6 green candles in a row. 6 in a row. And that does not happen every single day. Okay. In fact, during the last cycle, we had 5 here, but we didn't even have 6 in a row. We had 5 in a row back in 2019. Getting 6 in a row is almost unheard of. And in order to get 6 in a row, you have to go all the way back to 2012. Okay. And it went into 2013. So from November, December, January, February, March, and April, we had 6 in a row. We also had 6 in a row in 2010, September, October, November, December, January, February. 6 in a row. There's only, in fact, been one time in all of Bitcoin's history that it had 7 in a row. Literally one single time in all of its history. And it was here. And you take a look at these moves, and this was 1%, a modest 1%, another 1%, 5%, 29%, 40%, 9%, and 22%. So this string of 7 candles in a row here, it wasn't even that impressive compared to what we've seen today. I mean, look at this. Even I mean, if we go from the start here to the top of the candle, it was a very modest 160% or so, and that's with 7 green monthly candles in a row. So we've had 6 before, and the 2 times we had 6 were really bullish because they went up significantly. I mean, if you look at this one right here, it was around a 1400% move. If we go look at this one right here, to the top of the it's not even that one. That one's only 5 candles, but that was still about 1200. This one was 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, it was 6. So to go to the top there, it was about a 1300% move. This one was 5, and this one was about 1200%. You go to the present day, and we look at where we are from the start here. 400%. 444%, which is substantial given how high Bitcoin's current market capitalization is. I mean, Bitcoin's market cap is way higher than it was back over there, but it's still putting in really decent gains. Okay, so what would make this even more historic? Well, probably not going to happen, but there's at least a chance. So we're going to have a close here at the time of this video. Let's see, we're going to have a close in about 7 hours, and it'll be our monthly close for April. And in order for us to have our 7th green monthly candle in a row for the first time since 2012, the price of Bitcoin would need to close at around $58,788. So we would need to go up another $2,000 in the next 7 hours. Now, is that possible, right? Well, again, speculating on short-term moves is anyone's guess, in my opinion. But earlier today, we had some pretty significant moves. I mean, this is an hour candle, and it went up 2.3%. It opened at 50. It opened all the way down at 54.7 and ended it at 56. This one opened it at 56 and ended up, this one opened it at 56.11 and it closed at 57.2. So we are getting some pretty nice candles there. Whatever happens, right? Whatever happens, it either signifies the end of a 6 green monthly candle stretch in a row, which is historic because it's been since 2013 since we did it, or it could theoretically be our first time since 2012 to have 7 greens in a row. And in order to do that, we need to go up another $2,000. So pretty historic, no matter how you look at it. If you look at the daily time frame, just to sort of give an update there, the 20-day I think is a more realistic spot to look. You would obviously want to see a close above that if you want to see Bitcoin maybe start to get a little bit more bullish. Maybe some altcoins as well. We're currently the 20-day is now at 56.5K on this one. On some exchanges, it might say 56.6, right? What's a few $100s among friends? Right now, we're at 56.8. So look for a potential close above it. If it's just a wick and we come back down, we can easily get rejected back down. So look to see a close above the 20-day moving average, and if we do, things could get relatively bullish, not only for Bitcoin, but maybe for some altcoins that haven't been moving in a little while. So we're not out of the woods yet, right? We keep saying, keep an eye on that 20-day moving average. Whenever we get closes above the 20-day, good things tend to happen. Okay, good things tend to happen. Closes above the 20-day moving average, and we are on the cusp of trying to close above it, but we still have, about 7 hours to go, and we would need to hold the line for, for that entire time. Well, we need to hold the line by the time we close it. So we also, I would like to say, we actually added hoodies to the merch store. So if you want to go check out, if you guys want to go check that out, we now have hoodies there. We have more stuff coming. I know a lot of you guys have wanted, like what's a few $1 trillion among friends t-shirts. We'll have that stuff coming in the not so distant future. But if you want a hoodie with just the Into the Cryptoverse logo on it, recognize that it is in the merch store now. If you guys like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up. We have the premium list, intothecryptoverse.com. The lifetime price, if you're interested in the price of the lifetime, if you're interested in the lifetime deal, check it out. The prices will go up tomorrow on that. So they're going up tomorrow. If that's not your thing, I would encourage you maybe just check out the monthly subscription again, intothecryptoverse.com. Thank you guys for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel at the very least. Give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you click the bell icon to turn on your alerts, and I'll see you next time. Bye.